Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Wyze Cam privacy controls and secure cloud access. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open the Wyze app on your smartphone. Log in to your Wyze account. Make sure your Wyze Cam is connected to the Wi-Fi network. From the home screen, locate the camera you want to configure. Tap on the camera's thumbnail to open its live view. In the top right corner, tap the gear icon to access settings. Scroll down to find the privacy option. Tap on privacy to enter the privacy settings. You will see options for privacy mode and scheduled privacy. To enable privacy mode, toggle the switch to the on position. This will turn off video recording and streaming when activated. You can schedule this feature by selecting Scheduled Privacy. Set the days and times when privacy mode should activate automatically. Now, return to the Settings menu and find Cloud Services. Tap on Cloud Services to review your account's cloud settings. Ensure that your cloud storage is enabled for recording events. Review the event recording options according to your preference. After adjusting cloud settings, navigate back to the main Settings menu. Look for Notifications to configure alerts. Enable or disable notifications based on your needs for motion or sound alerts. Now, return to the live view of your camera. Test the privacy mode by activating it from the live view screen. Check the changes take effect immediately by observing the camera status. Finally, make sure to regularly check your settings and adjust as necessary. This ensures your Wyze Cam stays secure and meets your privacy needs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.